Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a Max account. So the first thing you need to know is HBO Max now is called Max because now he was a reward, a renovation. So you need to check if Max is available in your country because this is like a new streaming service. So you need to know if this is available in your country. So after you check that, and if the Max is available, you go to the principal page, and you need to pick here in signing up now for your registration. So in my country, Max is not available yet. So here in this part, after you pick in signing up, here you need to put your information, your method of pay, and choose the plan what you will want pay. So that's it. This is the process, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content.